Alright, so originally I was like, hey, this nozzle doesn't look right, but your little Beckett gauge here, believe it or not, pretty stinking close. Should come forward just a hair. That's it. So obviously, gotta take care of this end cone and clean it all up. Exactly what we'll do. Open the TNP to break the vacuum. The TNP wet closed, so probably wasn't pulling water out very fast. Clean it out. I'm happy with this. Oh yeah, bling, right? And shiny. Aside wrenches. So person priors using a .658 B's in Bravo. This Beckett factory comes with a .85 60B. They pump pressure of 150 psi. Somebody has written 150 on the sticker. Probably down to a .65 because of wanting to lower the capacity of this burner. Nothing wrong with that. You can do that. Have to do your combustion analysis. So less fuel. Now we got to balance the air to that. Burn. Tell you what, we're going to keep the same nozzle size. I'm not confident this burner was tuned after this nozzle was put in. So we will do today is we'll put this nozzle in and tune the burner. You know what's new? When she's nice, shiny. Here's the one that was in there. I hope you can tell. A little more dull. The electrodes are intact, no cracks, look good. Don't need to worry there. That nozzle in. Check our spark gap with our Beckett gauge. I've done it before where I remember 9 hours on this one boiler. I was at maintenance in like 15 years. Yellow burner, condensing, high efficiency model. So suited up like crazy. You know, you can't see what I'm doing, but setting how far forward electrodes are in front of the nozzle, setting our gap between the electrodes. If you tighten down, you gotta just firm. Okay, this little guy. So when you buy this boiler from Burnham and they say, okay, here's 3 different sizes, you get like 0.85, 0.75, 0.65, and that's like how many gallons per hour of diesel it will use.
Oh, uh-huh.
So this one from the factory came with a, what was it, 0.85, and the one that was in here was a 0.65.
I'm not the right size.
It's not, you can do that. You can always go down, but like that thing behind you that says Testo on it, that's to calibrate this burner. So if you downsize or upsize your gallons per hour of fuel, you've got to match it with how much air it uses so it burns clean. I'm going to put in a 0.75, meet in the middle, and then I'll calibrate the burner and tune it.
Okay.
Probably an hour and a half on the heat exchanger cleaning. I took the back of it off, fully vacuumed to brush that out. See how much is in here. Actually, probably 3 inches worth of stuff. Not bad. It's okay.